What's that one?
Water.
Where does it go?
Right here.
Good job. What's that one?
Michigan. Michigan.
Good job. You put it where it goes? Where does it go? Where's Michigan go?
Up here. Go in.
Where's Michigan go?
Up here.
Good job. What's this one?
Texas.
Where's Texas go?
Right here.
Yep. Can you put it in there? What's this
I
one?
did it.
You know that one?
Washington.
Good job. Can you put it where it goes?
Up here.
Well, good job, sir. Let's see. You know what one this one is?
Oregon.
Nope, that one's not Oregon. Look again.
Georgia.
Yeah, where does that one go?
Go up. Down here.
Good job. Show me. What one is it?
Colorado.
Let me see.
Right
Hold it
here.
still. Let me see it. Let me see the front. Can Mama see it?
Colorado.
Let me see it. Let me see the front. Let me read it. What does it say? Let me read it. Let me turn it around so Mama can read it. Let me see the words. Does this say Colorado? It does say Colorado. Good job, sir.
It's still harder.
What about this one?
And this is Indiana.
Good job.
And it's a tree. Color. Color. Color.
What's this one?
Las Vegas one.
What's the state?
Florida.
Good job, sir. What about this one? What state's that?
Oh, Georgia.
What? Let me see it.
Missouri.
Ah, that is Missouri.
Other states.
What's this one?
This tree.
What state is that one?
Oregon.
Good job.
Let's go up top. There are other states.
Where does Indiana go?
The rest down here.
Where does
Disco.
this one go?
Let's go up top.
Where? What state is it?
Georgia.
No.
Arch.
Yeah, what state is the arch? Where does the arch go? The arch doesn't go way up there.
I did.
Okay, we'll figure it out when you get the rest of them. Where does this one go?
Does it go up top?
Where?
Oh, right
Yeah. Do you know what this one is?
Florida.
That's not Florida. You already have Florida. What one is that?
West Florida.
It's California?
California.
Where's California go?
Here.
Yes, it does. Where does this one go?
Up here.
You're right. Wow, Kai, that's pretty good.
Make a square. I'm gonna make a square.
What about this one? What state is that one?
Mississippi.
It is Mississippi. Where does Mississippi go?
Down here. Right here.
Good job, sir.
Where's this one?
Do you like your states?
Where's this one go? Where's this one go? Where's this one
I don't know. Let me see. What one is it? Oh, is that what was?
Colorado.
Oh, it's Colorado. Where's Colorado go?
Right here.
Well, not exactly. Kind of close. It's in the middle, so it makes it hard, right?
Right up here.